Located in the Water Street district in downtown Henderson, you'll find Biscuits and Bourbon. Known for their biscuits and all-day happy hour, this place is a must. And it's also an Instagram hotspot. We ordered the Bourbon Honey Biscuit, the Chopped Pork Biscuit Slider, Bourbon Candied Pork Belly, Smoked Wings, Kale Slaw, Smoked Brisket Fries, and Fried Green Tomatoes, of course, to share everything. While it was all delicious, the Bourbon Candied Pork Belly was the unanimous favorite. As a wing lover, their smoked wings are definitely at the top of my best wings list, especially with the crumbled blue cheese. Biscuits and Bourbon was all around amazing, and we will definitely be back.